Okay, let's talk about male over 50, comes into H4M, battling weight issues, in reasonable shape, but battling weight issues. Can't get back to what he was in his early 40s, losing muscle, by the year. Notices it, very unhappy about all that. Some fatigue, some natural libido issues, but those aren't the main concerns. The main concern is I just can't get rid of this fat anymore, and I'm losing my muscle, and I'm used to looking like this, and I can't look like that anymore. He comes. What's a very common protocol for him when he comes to H4M?
Yeah. So I mean, obviously, the first step is to look at everything. We want to look at L's blood work, just to correctly diagnose that there is a hormone deficiency there, and to make sure there's no contraindications. So the first thing we do is we want to just make sure to look for that. We do want to address lifestyle, nutrition, exercise. We just want to make sure that those things are in order. But ultimately, yeah, this person is going to have to get on testosterone. So just by what you're describing, I've seen it 25,000 times. This person is deficient in testosterone. Yep. And when I say deficient too, one of the problems is that he'll probably be in the range, but he's going to be at lower quartile of the range. And what we find, I've said this before, that the ranges are completely arbitrary and rooted in nothing real. The middle to lower quartile of the range, people are suffering from hypogonadism, symptoms of low testosterone, metabolic disorder, and depressive disorders. So you need to be treated even if you're at the low end of the range. So what we do is treat him with a moderate dose, probably like 150 milligrams, 50 milligrams 3 times a week. We'd start him there, see how again, it's a game of adjustments. We just see how you react, and then make titrations. Most people do feel better at a little higher dose in there. We slowly titrate up until we find the dose that yields the best results for you.
And what about a peptide stack for him because of the weight loss issue? Or would you just look at the testosterone first and then gauge it after a period of time?
Yeah, at H4M, we're not like every other clinic where we're just going to push everything on you right away. We don't want to just be salesy and salesmen. We want to help you. The best thing to do is to not change too many variables at once. Right? We want to change one variable at a time. So we're just going to put you on testosterone. Let's see how you react to that. If we go just a few months down the line, you're like, yeah, I feel good. I've lost some weight. I'm looking for a little bit more weight loss, a little bit more of this, maybe a little better sleep. Okay, let's try CJC 1295 Ipamorelin blend. That's the next logical step.
And then again, see where that takes them.
See where that takes you. See if there's any more additions. Now down the road, he's like, man, this, I've been working out better, but I'm kind of hampered by this joint pain injury. Okay, well, let's add a little bit of Nandrolone in there. Let's see if we can reduce your joint pain with Nandrolone.